And the way to influence them, that's exactly what the HIST language is to talk and show the business value from testing and show the business value from human testing versus the automation, which they think it's really adds the value. You understand? That's the language which we need to talk to them, and that's the metrics which will brainwash them now in a good way, brainwashed.
Yes.
So they will realize and understand this is really true and this is really good stuff.
I love the process. I mean,
it's a battle
to
convince them,
it's
or
a big
not
battle.
all of them, but
some of them.
I don't want to call it majority of them, but a big portion of them. A big why? Because they're techie guy, they're CTOs and CIOs.
Yeah.
Now, if you go a level above to CEO and explain the reason, and they're smart people and say, look, just think of it. Look, the automation, it doesn't feel your product. It doesn't smell your product. It doesn't tell whether it's human, self-intuitive or not. How the machine can really figure this out? Do you really think the machine will figure it out, or the human testers who are representing your potential users or wearing the user hat will tell you the truth about this? Or you want to leave to AI to hallucinate and tell you the truth? Do you understand? If you cannot talk that language to CEOs, then CEO will tell CTO, look, there is something what Ruslan is saying. There is some truth about what Ruslan is saying.
Yeah.
I might agree with Ruslan, actually. You know, when you said automation and let's build and buy and this, but the human aspect for our application, for our product is very, very important. Who are using this? Humans, not robots, not AI, right?
Yeah.
Humans are using the platforms. So if you're not thinking like a human, you're not going to add value to the application. Do you understand that?
Yeah.
So that's why it's a battle. It's a battle of education. It's a battle of not brainwashing somebody, but anybody with
ethically, right? Smartly.
Intelligence. They will need to understand that. It's going to take some time for them to realize. It's going to take some time for the junior people really understand what we're talking about, because it's a really advanced level. All they talk about defects and test cases. They don't understand the bigger picture. That's the thing.
Yeah.
But we got to be patient with the audience, because not everybody is advanced in this.
I agree.
I was not advanced when I started my career. Do you think I knew this before? No. It took a long time for me to self-realize that and come to this conclusion.
Yeah, you learned and mastered it.
It took a very long time to get to this point, and that's perfectly fine. And I cannot expect 3 years experienced person to get to the same point as I got it to after so many years, so many projects, so many positions I played, so many failures and successes which I had, right, in the past. You can't expect this.
You can't expect that. Yeah,
you know?
I agree.
So the only thing we can do is continue education, continue sharing the honest information, not biased towards anything, but the real information out there, with the hope that people will get it, that people will open their eyes to a truthful data, to a metrics, to a strategies, to a basic common sense in some cases, and will understand that this is not BS, as this guy said many times in all of his posts. Do you understand? That's essentially what the battle we need to fight. And that battle didn't start at the debate. Debate, it means nothing. We won, it's really nothing. It's nothing. It's miserable. You know? What we need to win is hearts of people who really understand the danger to our craft now. What we need to do is to win their minds to understand that if they're not going to apply some of those best practices, they don't apply everything, okay, some only, that's fine. Whatever they want to apply, but it's up to you. you're going to fight there against somebody there. I train you, I guide you, I show you the skills. You think you can use your own skills and win your own fight? Do it. Perfect. But if you want to use the proven strategy of my fights, which I won multiple times, right, before, and all the moves and all the hits and kicks and everything else, and you want to leverage that, be my guest, use it, because you will succeed, because it's a proven strategy. It's not a guess, it's not the imagination.
Yeah.
It's a real thing.
100% proven.
Do you understand? It's a real thing.
Yeah, I get it.
So that's the battle which we guys have.
I love it. Let's play it.
That's the battle. So it's a long way to go, long way to battle, but I'm not going to give up that battle.
We should,
because I want this community to see the future. I want everybody excel. I want more people become QA professionals. I want our organizations to be successful. And I want to build many job opportunities for people out there who are suffering and struggling about the jobs right now.
Yeah.
And that's about it, because quality is irreplaceable. The human quality is irreplaceable.
Irreplaceable. Yeah.
That's the thing. And that's why there gotta be humans involved.
100%.
100%. All the time. You cannot leave this to the machines.
Yeah, I understand
because
your
machines
psyche.
don't have hearts. They don't have sense. They don't
intelligence
feel.
which
They
we
cannot
have.
touch the product. They don't have what the God gave us, this seven sense, right? So that's the battle which we have to fight, and we will see if we're gonna win or not. But we're not gonna give up. That's for sure, right?
Sure,
We're not gonna
that's for
give up.
sure.